just $50 to $100 a day, small enough that no one noticed, for an entire year. By the time they caught her, this single mom had quietly drained $16,000 from her own register. 3 kids at home, 1 disabled son, a father who walked away, and a desperate woman who thought the cameras would never catch up. They did. And what happens next? You won't believe how she reacts when the cuffs come out.
Papi, I needed to do it, Papi. I needed to do it. I couldn't get no more. Someone from our loss prevention team.
Is interviewing the supervisor that stole?
Like refunding like that, and refunding just different purchases or different amounts on credit cards.
I've been battling some financial issues. I've been working with Wawa for almost 2 years.
This arrest illustrates how 3 distinct legal doctrines converge in a single encounter.
So I'm gonna go to jail?
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail, unfortunately.
I have a disabled son, so my kid's father's not really in their life, and I really don't have no help. I'm a single mother of 3 kids, and it's really just a tough time for me.
Hey, what's going on?
So somebody from our loss prevention team is interviewing her on the phone, so they just told me to give them 1 second.
He's interviewing her on the phone?
Yeah.
Who's this?
One of my supervisors.
Your supervisor's interviewing somebody else?
No. Someone from our loss prevention team.
Is interviewing the supervisor that stole? Okay, so
they're just guys getting their statement and stuff like that.
Okay, are they wanting to prosecute?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
So he just told me he said about 10 more minutes.
How can you explain what happened?
The boy called me yesterday and he said, hey, this is what's going on. Like refunding like that, and refunding just different purchases or different amounts on credit cards. So.
Okay, so it's theft of about grand theft.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you mind waiting?
No, do they have receipts and all this other stuff?
Transactions, and they can send me the videos.
Okay. Awesome. I'll go ahead and pull a case number. Can you verify whether or not they want to prosecute?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you verify if they want to prosecute, I'll go ahead and pull the case number and get everything else situated for you guys, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right? But she's inside there right now, right? Okay. Hello, ma'am. My name is Officer Brooks with the Powell Police Department. Okay, one of the reasons why I'm here. There's some things I gotta go ahead and read off to you prior to we doing anything else, okay? Alright. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you in court, okay? You have the right to speak to a lawyer before and during questioning, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you one will be appointed to you before questioning without charge. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so understanding your rights, you still wish to continue to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, do you have any ID on you?
This is my purse, it's right here.
Which one? This one? All right. Get that information for you, please. What's a good contact phone number for you? Okay, you want to explain to me what's going on right now? In reference to what you know, because, we have some stuff that's basically being dealt with that, you obviously had a phone interview about and things of that particular nature.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the thing is I've been battling some financial issues. I've been working with Wawa for almost 2 years. And just recently, I've been having issues with keeping up with my bills and stuff like that. I have a disabled son, so my kid's father's not really in their life, and I really don't have no help. I'm a single mother of 3 kids, and I just was doing some refunds for gas and stuff like that for my car. Giving out free hoagies and stuff like that, customers' food. Started about a month ago. Recently I just went to Wawa for help. They have AIN to see if I can get help with my mortgage payments, because it's really just a tough time for me. And I was telling them, it wasn't I was doing big quantities of anything, just $20, $30, $5 here or something like that, but they were false refunds. So that's what this is about.
Okay. So it added up to a kind of a decent dollar figure.
I don't know what it added up to. I'm not sure.
It's kind of sequential. It's kind of big. Overall tally of what they've basically been looking at since then. It's kind of big. in regards to the refunds and the gas and, you know, going back and forth with a lot of the transactions that they had. So, unfortunately, at this particular time, we're going to have to place you under arrest. Okay, and it's going to be for about for grand theft. Okay, because it's over a certain dollar figure.
The private actor rule, the Miranda framework, and Florida's grand theft aggregate. The loss prevention phone interview conducted before the officer's arrival is legally pivotal. Under Colorado versus Connelly, decided in 1986, Fifth Amendment protections attach only to state action. A private employer investigating internal theft is not a government agent, so admissions made during that interview are fully admissible as party opponent statements without any Miranda warning requirement. This explains the officer's deliberate decision to wait. By allowing the employer's interview to conclude before asserting custody, he preserved two independent evidentiary channels, the private admissions and the later Mirandized statements. Once custody attached, Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, required warnings before any interrogation. Berkemer v. McCarty defines custody as whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. That threshold was crossed the moment the officer entered the break room and signaled the purpose of his visit. The warnings were properly delivered, and the waiver was knowing and voluntary under the Berkemer standard. The charging decision rests on Florida Statute Section 812.014, subsection 2, paragraph C. Theft of property valued between $750 and $20,000 constitutes grand theft of the third degree, a felony carrying up to 5 years of imprisonment. The $16,000 total was never a single transaction. Florida's aggregation doctrine, firmly established in appellate precedent, permits prosecutors to combine thefts committed pursuant to a single scheme into one felony count. This is the mechanism that transforms a pattern of petty misdemeanors into a single prosecutable felony.
So I'm gonna go to jail?
Yeah, you're going to go to jail, unfortunately. Okay? Is there anybody you want to call for anything at all, or your vehicle?
Because I have my kids, my vehicle is here.
Okay. Is there anybody you can go ahead and call for your care of your children? All right. Go ahead and make the necessary phone calls and do what you got to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and get an officer up here because we're going to have to conduct a female search and make sure that you're all secure. Okay? Prior to you going into the back of my vehicle.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions for me at all?
No, thank you.
Okay. Now, do you have anything inside your purse
Nah.
that you wish to disclose at this particular time because it's going to get searched?
I have lighters and
Do you have any illegal substances or anything of that nature?
binder.
I'm sorry?
I don't know if it's nothing in it.
Is there anything in there?
It is.
Okay, we're going to have to take that for disposal. Okay?
Okay, please don't charge it. It's just, I'm not going to get charged with this.
No, it's
not
for
a lot of
destruction.
nothing. Okay.
It's for destruction.
Throw it
so
away.
Yeah, I'll take
Thank
it.
you, please.
Okay, what else?
A cigar.
That's going to be in the trash, so you could probably just throw it in the trash because they don't accept that stuff in jail.
And lighters and stuff.
Lighters and things of that nature we don't also accept in jail, so you might as well just throw that
Throw it
away.
away. Just throwing all the lighters out. All this stuff will be kept with me, right?
Yes.
These can stay here, please, for me. Okay, that's it.
Talking to 10600.
You guys don't have a Ziploc bag inside of here, do you?
I don't think so. I gotta leave my keys for my
Yeah, anything
my
that's...
child's father.
Yeah, that's fine. Did you just text him?
Yeah, he's on his way.
He's on his
from
way?
work. Yeah.
Okay. Where would you want it? Where do you want to leave it?
Talking to 010 and 104.
Oh, my keys are on the back, in the back table.
On the back table?
Yeah, in the
Okay.
break room.
Do you want to tell anybody to go ahead and pick it up for you, or what?
I can text a coworker. She's
Yeah,
out there.
okay.
Signal 14 is going to be a...
Now, once you get to the jail, if you need numbers out of your phone, you will let the CEO know that you need additional numbers.
So can I write them down now, though? Like put them on a paper?
You can.
Okay. I was gonna say that way it'll just help me.
It'll help you a whole lot better. You could just have him take that out of your purse.
She at the door with my keys.
Ma'am? No, she don't need this.
You don't want this?
No, you need this?
No.
No.
Door out.
Okay, keys is gonna be right here for his pickup, right?
Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Hello. I'm finna go to jail. I have to explain later, but I'm finna go to jail like right now. I gotta write your number down so I can better call you. Yeah. Can you tell him I'm finna go to jail?
She's not playing, sir.
Oh my God.
Okay?
What you gonna do? You got some bond money?
I gotta see how much it is first.
Hey, man.
Alright.
You got the number down?
I'm writing it down now. I'm gonna write both of them down.
All right.
Alright.
All right. You done? All right, just put your phone in there.
And like my money and stuff and all of it.
Yeah, how much money are we talking about here?
It's not a lot.
Okay.
A couple dollars in cash. It's like my little safe thing.
Okay, put all that in there.
And this right here.
So that way I can go ahead and locate it. Once we get to the jail, it's probably going to be counted out. Okay. They do charge a processing fee. I think it's about $5 to $10. So just probably count on whatever cash is in there being $10 short.
Okay.
Come on.
Alright.
Papi, I needed to do it, Papi. I needed to do it. I couldn't get no more. Grammy needs to deal with it. I haven't called Grammy like in 3 days. So I don't have to deal with her.
Okay.
Did she know?
Yeah.
Okay. How you doing, ma'am?
Grab that.
So, put your hands here. Do you have anything on you that I gotta worry about?
No. Oh, I just got another light in my pocket. Took it out.
Okay, let's take everything out.
Yes, money, change. You take my jacket off?
Yes. Appreciate that.
Just throw that inside.
Are you gonna take this with you? Or are you gonna
I can take it with me.
put your hands in the wall?
Like this.
Thank you. Turn around. Good.
All right, put this inside your purse.
Anything, Papa?
Yeah, this is just a grinder with a little bit of weed in it.
Yeah, she can throw that away.
Yeah.
The search that followed is authorized by two governing precedents. Chimel versus California, 1969, defines the permissible scope as the arrestee's person and immediate reach area. United States versus Robinson, 1973, holds that a full search is justified by any lawful custodial arrest, regardless of offense severity. The officer's discretion regarding the small cannabis grinder deserves a separate note. Possession remains chargeable under Florida Statute 893.13, but charging discretion is well established in American criminal procedure. Declining an additional misdemeanor alongside a third-degree felony reflects proportionality. 3 lessons emerge from this analysis. First, statements to private employers carry no Miranda protection. Employees facing internal investigations should recognize that those conversations are legally consequential. Second, the aggregation doctrine means repeated small thefts are prosecuted as a single, large offense. The felony threshold transforms the sentencing exposure entirely. Third, cooperative post-arrest conduct cannot undo the underlying offense, but it meaningfully shapes sentencing outcomes, as the probationary disposition here demonstrates. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.